Hello, it's Miss Rachel from the Watauga Prattville Public Library, and today we are working on the Zoom Story Room activity for Tuesday, November 24th. So you're going to need your kit, some colors, and some scissors, and let's get started. Out of your kit, you'll need to take all of the papers. We can set aside the programming announcement page. Take note that we're going to be closed for Thanksgiving and for Black Friday. And we can start by cutting out our different elements that the old lady is going to swallow. So we'll use our scissors and just cut out around the lines of each of the squares. We can throw away the scraps as we go. Or you can throw them all the way at the end. If you want, you can use this blank square here to create your own thing that the old lady swallows for Thanksgiving. But I'm just going to go ahead and use the pictures and the objects that are already printed out. And once I get them all cut up into single little squares, we're going to be able to play a story sequencing game with them. So let's set our little elements aside and throw away our scraps. Now, your other template, if you're printing this from home, you're going to want to cut out a rectangle above the old lady's mouth, and then you can tape a plastic baggie to the back. You can cut off the corners so that it opens up a little bit more widely, and then you can tape your plastic bag to the back, and you've got a little receptacle for all the things that the old lady swallows. But if you've got a kit from the library, your template will already be assembled, so all that's left to do is some coloring. So I'm going to take out my markers and decide on a color scheme. I think for Thanksgiving, I want to do red and yellow for her shirt, and we'll do blue jeans for her pants or skirt. But you can really color it however you'd like, using whichever colors you like. And you can use, instead of markers, if you don't have them, you can use crayons. Or you can use colored pencils. There's all sorts of options. You could even use watercolors if you have them. I'm doing every other stripe yellow and red. And then I'm going to leave some of the squares. I'm going to rotate it so I can get the stripes the other way. And I'm going to leave some of them blank and do some of them with a layer of orange over the top. And that gives it a nice plaid looking effect. Cool. And let's see, let's make her belt brown. With a gold buckle. You can use yellow and gold interchangeably if you'd like, or if you have a goldenrod crayon, that might be a good choice. And our little old lady, my little old lady, is going to have silver hair, so I'm just going to do a little bit with the black marker, and the black and white will kind of be able to mix together to make a gray hair look. And if you want, you can color her skin. I'm going to use pink for that, I think. Again, just a little bit for me, but you can color it in all the way or more thoroughly if you like. I don't want to use too much pink on mine because my pink is pretty bright and I don't want her to look like she's got a big old sunburn. And there we are. We have our little old lady colored and ready to go. So now we can put away our colors because we always want to keep our craft area clean. You can put them back in their box or whatever container you have for them, or just set them aside. And now we can do some story sequencing. So we could say, there was an old lady who swallowed a turkey. There's the turkey. Let's put it in. And you can keep going with all of the other elements. And you can even store all of them in here at once while you're not playing with it, so that you can come back and play with this again and again and see if you can memorize the order of all of the things that the old lady swallowed. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful Thanksgiving. Bye!